Hey guys, welcome back to Smith Kids TV. It's me, Ben, and today we are building the Journey to the Skull Dungeons. Let's get building. Hey guys, I have finished the set and now I am going to review it. So let's start off with the minifigures. And we have Lloyd. He has his cool dragon shield. And he has like a little plate to protect his arm. On the back there's a clip so that he can hold his sword or his shield. Yeah, and then we have Jay. He has his like thing, it's very bumpy, pokey. He has his shield, the plate too, and a clip for whatever he wants to store back there. Yeah. And then there's Nia holding her shield, dragon shield. We got her like spear, or whatever, I can't say it. And then the plate right here, the clip, and that's Nia. And then we got one more guy. He'll just fall off. See, it comes off really easy. It's frustrating. We have his axe. Got like a plate too, right here with some bumps, very pokey. No shirt apparently. No pants. Well, I guess that's kind of like shorts, but yeah. Now let's review the main set. So right here, this is actually connected to a board game. So let's pretend I have Lloyd on here. This thing, I spin it. When I spin it, it'll then land on a plate. And see, it landed right on this. So he moves 2 spaces and he gets a heart. And if he lands on a death symbol, with above it, that's 3 things. Death symbol means he loses 1 heart. When you land on a heart thing, you gain a heart. When you lose all 3 hearts, he's out of the game. And of course, somebody can go in here, got the heart, and 1 space, a death space, heart, and yeah, got that. Now let's review the main build. Now how the thing works is that right here, there's an arrow. So then, you start right here, or whatever thing you're on. Then if you land on a 1 space, you go this. That arrow means go forward 1. Then if you land on another one, go 4. But there's a death space. And if you hit this, boom, it goes kablooey. Now let's try that with somebody on it. Let's get a person on it. Let's have Nia. Poor Nia, she's gonna get launched into space. Bye, Nia. She died. So yeah, that's the desk space. If you land on that, so you just press this and then it flips up. You can place that back on. Then we got a spider, another arrow, spider. Then we have a cage that is movable. Turn this to lower it, turn it left to lower it, left to lower, and then right, wing it up. That one doesn't start with both R's, but at least the left starts with both R's. You can lift it up, and then if you keep doing it, it'll bring this thing up. Then we also got the blade, and we got the stove with some bones. It's creepy. And then there's the back. This detaches from the thing, and it is movable. You can also attach it to the very end to right there. So then it's like even more of a board game. And then the back. So you have a ruby right here, you got a crystal right here, and a bed. And then yeah, got a crystal. And then got a bed, got a crystal, diamond, crystal, diamond, crystal, diamond, crystal, diamond, crystal. I feel like there's something else. This, I have no idea what you do, but I'm pretty sure that's where you store the ninja's weapons or something. You can put the ninja's weapons there. I don't know what you do there, but I think it's to store the weapons, and that's where they sleep. And then you have got this whole entire cave piece. You turn it around. Yeah, and those are the clips. You can take this off, and since it's a flat piece, you can then you can take this off the stair. But yeah, and you can get the crystal. And just lift this up lightly, and then just put it back up. Like that. And attach this. The spider you can basically put it anywhere. And this is the X marks the spot. This set is where you finish the whole entire board game. Whoever lands on this first wins. So yeah, that's the thing. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, I started a new thing. Oops. Beep. So, cut this part out. Please, just cut this part out. Just do it. Yeah. Okay, bye.